Welcome back, little Tony! So far, nakuha mo na yung basic skills na kailangan mo to start investing or trading journey. In the previous episodes, you were taught the skills of knowing what to buy by getting to know the company. At kung paano mamili ng presyo kung saan mo ito bibilhin by learning how to read charts and trends. Now, let's put these into actual use. After all, experience is still the best teacher. Where can I get all the information I need to invest? Paano gumamit ng platform na isang stockbroker? Sasagutin natin yan sa episode na ito. The tools you need to start applying everything you've learned are laptop or smartphone, internet connection, and your awesome Learn2Trade Asia account na pwede mong i-access sa laptop or smartphone. That's it! Samahan mo na rin na ang paborito mong inumin. Cheers! At dahil ito lang ang mga kailangan mo, you can do this whenever, wherever. Ngayon naman, gagamitin natin lahat ng natutunan mo para i-simulate ang iyong first trade o investment. First step, what do I buy? Which company? We'll start with what you know before you explore other hidden gems. Again, here are our top 30 blue chip companies. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's use Jollibee. Disclaimer, this is for demonstration purposes only. We are not recommending that you actually buy the stock. Please exercise due diligence. The shortcut or stock symbol of Jollibee is JFC, as you will see here. We know that Jollibee makes money by selling food. They also distribute these brands. If you didn't know, you can check the company's website to learn more. If we want to check their earnings, just go here. Do a quick check. Are they making money? Is the net income growing or declining over time? For their growth plans, since mabilis nagbabago ang balita, you may use the Twitter shortcut. Just type in this keyword in the search bar. Click on latest, and news about the stock will appear chronologically. If you're interested in making passive income with this stock, you can check out their dividend history here. And that's where you can find information about the company. Once you already have a grasp on how good the company is as an investment, you can check its price patterns by looking at the charts here. Start by zooming out until you see the stock's recognizable pattern and try to find support and resistance levels. There are no hard, strict rules for this, as this is more of an art than a science. If you're getting confused, more of this was covered in the previous episodes, so go check that out if you haven't yet. Doing this will help you map out where the price of the stock has been compared to where its price is now. It's always a good idea to buy low or near support or where prices are cheap. At this point, it's also good to think about whether you'll be buying this as a long-term investment or you just want to make quick profits. Make sure to stick to this strategy. Then when you're ready to trade, simply go to the Trading tab. Entering your order is pretty straightforward. Just select your transaction as buy, enter the stock code, then quotes from the stock will appear automatically. Ito yung current prices kung saan gusto bilhin at ibenta yung stock. Let me explain what they mean. Since this is the stock market, there are buyers and sellers. Bid price ang presyo na gusto bilhin ng buyers ng stock. Ask price ang presyo na gusto ibenta ng sellers ang stock. Besides these prices, ay yung dami ng shares na gusto bilhin or ibenta for the price. Just by looking at the number of shares, you can already gauge whether there are more buyers versus sellers of the stock. But you don't have to buy shares at these prices if your chosen strategy is to wait for it to reach a certain price. As for the quantity, that depends on how much investable funds you have. Beside it is a guide on the minimum number of shares you can buy for the stock. In this case, you can buy Jollibee shares in increments of 10. The only way for you to buy shares of this stock is if someone sells them to you at the price that you want. So sometimes it might take days, weeks, or months before the price moves to your desired range. You can program the expiration of your order's validity using these terms: day, good till week, or good till month. If we go with good till month option, it means if after a month, nobody sells me Jollibee shares at the price that I want, then my order will be canceled. Once you're done, click this button to proceed. Type your password, then you're done. And that's how it's done on your Learn2Trade Asia platform. There are tons of other innovative functions that you can explore to help you monitor your investments more easily. As you level up with experience, you can also try Learn2Trade Asia Prime, the platform for advanced and active traders. Wouldn't recommend this yet for beginners though. Try it out yourself. Sign up for your Learn2Trade Asia account. Just click the link on the description box below. And so, we're left with just one more episode till you finish this learning course. In the next episode, we'll teach you the last step, which is when to sell. We'll also cover how to manage risks, which is probably the most important thing you should learn. Stay tuned and see you on the next video.